Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change your display name on Blogger. This is really helpful if you want to update how your name appears on your blog posts or if you're rebranding your online presence. Let's get right into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to blogger.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing in with the account that's linked to the blog where you want to make this change. After you've logged in, you'll see your Blogger dashboard. Take a look at the left side of your screen where you'll find the navigation menu, click on Settings. This is where you can access all the configuration options for your blog, from basic details to more advanced features. Now you'll need to scroll down through the settings page until you find the section labeled General. This section contains the core settings for your blog, including your profile information. Under the General section, look for Edit Profile and click on it. This will take you to the page where you can modify your personal information and how your name appears to readers. On the profile editing page, locate the field that says Display Name. This is the name that will be shown publicly on your blog whenever you publish posts or comments. Click on the Display Name field to activate it for editing. Now you can input your new display name, type in whatever name you'd like to use, whether it's your full name, a nickname, or your brand name. This is your chance to present yourself exactly how you want your audience to see you. Once you've entered your new display name, look for the Save button and click it. This confirms your changes and updates your profile across your Blogger account. Your new display name should now appear on all your blog posts and comments moving forward. And that's it. You've successfully changed your display name on Blogger, giving your blog a fresh identity or simply updating how you're presented to your readers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.